I should have read the reviews before I got the Ninja SLUSHi. Not because it only takes around 30 minutes to turn a drink into a slushie, or it can make frozen cocktails, frappes, or pretty much any drink that I throw at it. It's because I can't take it everywhere with me this summer. So today, let's use the Ninja SLUSHi to turn this Fanta lemon into slush while I try and answer the main question. Is it actually worth buying, or is it just another appliance that's going to take up space on your kitchen worktops? So the main idea with the slushie is you don't need ice to make your favorite drinks. Just open the top, fill up the machine to the minimum, at least the minimum fill level, and then you just select the mode you want. Because we've got one ingredient in there, we're just going to put it on one level of freeze. So the main idea of the Ninja SLUSHi is you don't actually need ice to make your drinks into a slushie. It uses this rapid freezing Ninja magic technology, and it keeps mixing your drink while it's freezing. So because you haven't added ice, you don't end up watering your drinks down, and they stay exactly how they're meant to taste. I think this is mainly for someone who wants to turn normal drinks into frozen drinks at home. So if you like summer drinks, mocktails, frozen cocktails, frappes, or if you enjoy having people around in the summer, maybe for a barbecue or just, you know, enjoying the hot weather. A few practical things. First, this is not instant. It takes around 30 minutes to turn your drinks into a slushie. So this is something that you set before you want your drink, and not if you're desperate for a drink right away. Secondly, the machine is quite big, so you're gonna need some counter space for the machine, or just somewhere to put it, because otherwise it's gonna be in your way. Third, I think it is good if you're gonna be making drinks for multiple people. I mean, I often make myself slushies on my own, but you've got to bear in mind that the minimum fill level is just under 500 milliliters. So you're going to end up with at least 500 milliliters of slushie just for yourself. So is the Ninja a gimmick? I honestly don't think so, if you're the kind of person who's actually going to use it and wants to make frozen drinks, frozen cocktails, frappes. But if you're only going to use it once or twice and it's going to collect dust on your counter, or it's going to get stuffed in the back of a cupboard or something like that, then it is probably not worth it for you. One of the main things for me is that it actually makes frozen drinks without adding ice, so that the strength of your drink remains right and you don't have like a watered down drink. Okay, so let's quickly run through cleaning, because that was one of the major factors for me, because I personally don't like cleaning. So if it was a hassle to clean it, I personally wouldn't want to use it all the time. We have to do pour warm water into the machine once you've emptied it of your drink. Okay, so we've got our warm water up to pretty much the max fill line. Using a large glass, because it's going to come out quite quick, because it's not slushed now. Move that glass out of the way. Set it onto rinse cycle. What that will do, it will run the machine but without the cooling, and then from there just carefully dispense all your water. Okay. Once you're empty, simple as switching off. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. This handle at the back, pull this across. Yep, once you've got your handle here pulled off, slide off this piece, slide off the auger, and then this is your condensation tray. Once you've removed all of those parts, literally just as easy as rinse them in the sink and you're good to go. So is it a bit unnecessary? Yes it is, but it's unnecessary in a really cool way, in a way I like. If you're thinking about buying one, I would say it makes the most sense for summer barbecues, making frozen drinks with your friends, or anyone that wants to experiment and be their own like frozen drink bartender. Just know it takes time, it needs counter space, and you'll get the most value out of it if you actually do try making lots of different drinks.